Hello guys, welcome to another video. Flash here. Today I'm going to showcase the lottery token. So LOT. What I like about this token, and I think that it's quite unique, only a couple of tokens have this feature, is that you can earn and win money just by holding. So let's get right into it. So the decentralized lottery is funded by transaction tax. 2% of every lot transaction gets entered into a virtual lottery pool, and when the pool reaches 0.1%, a drawing is conducted and the pool is instantly sent to the winning lot holder. The only thing you need is to have LOT. So let's get into the tokenomics. The initial supply was 50% burned. You earn a lot just by holding, so you hold more, earn more. It's that simple. With every transaction, 2% are shared between all holders that own LOT. And it has a deflation feature. Your LOT gets more valuable over time since 2% of every transaction is burned. In the initial phase, you pre-sale with the XL launch on Pancake, so a complete redesign of the website and community events. The pre-sale with the XL was already completed, and the launch on Pancake as well. And on the second phase, the marketing campaign, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, airdrop for holders, and adding more functionality to the Telegram bot. I highly suggest you guys going over there, Twitter, following them on there, and joining the Telegram group with over 2,300 members, as it's a very active community. And also, if you need any help, you can go ahead and ask on the Telegram. Now I want to show you guys how to buy LOT. So firstly, you'll need to set up a wallet in Pancake Swap. So I am using MetaMask, but you can also use Trust Wallet. After that, you have to transfer some BNB into your wallet address. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. After you do that, you have to click on the buy on Pancake Swap on their website. After that, it will redirect you to this site. All you have to do is put in the slippage tolerance on 7% and just click on swap. That being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to get your ticket.